Today,
we're gonna find out what's in Derek's box.
That's true.
Just watch.
Let's stick with that. Welcome to Coffee Man Cocktails. Derek, that's me. Ian, that's that guy. And that's Dan,
Hi.
are going to make you a cocktail called the Passion Vine. This is kind of a tiki-based cocktail. And because we had the sponsor, Bespoke Post, that's a subscription box service, you guys are like, what the hell is in this box?
What is in here?
So I talked to them and I was like, should I do a sponsored video by myself? Because I typically do them by myself. Or do you guys care if we just get all crazy? It's like, oh, we don't care what you do. Do your show.
So what's the subscription thing?
So the subscriction thing,
I've seen them online, advertising, yeah.
Yeah.
It seems like they have cool stuff.
Right, exactly. So
I'm tempted to sign up, but I'm cheap. So I don't.
So lay it on me though. What's up?
So they have...
Because I like to drink.
It's
Aren't you interrupting him?
It's a subscription
Is there
service.
alcohol?
There's no alcohol in here.
This is
it's
what we
right
call
there.
building suspense.
Yes.
So they said, I haven't opened it.
Oh no, don't open it yet.
Give
Okay,
me
now
that.
open it.
All right. Explain the cocktail first, and then open it.
All right. The cocktail's 2 ounces of gin, 3/4 ounce of Lillet blanc, 1/4 ounce of Crème de Cacao, 3/4 ounce of lemon juice, a 1/2 ounce of passion fruit juice, 2 dashes of lemon bitters, and an egg white for foaminess.
Yeah.
Do a dry shake.
Foamy
So while he's
score.
doing all that, this is the kit. The box is called Island. There you go. So you basically get. It's a subscription service where you pay some amount.
Well, it
a
comes
month.
with a tumbler. Well, I guess you can
No,
use
it's
it
one of
as a
those.
glass.
Tumblers
too.
or glass.
Yeah.
You subscribe. It's kind of a guy-focused thing. Like everything's kind of guy-focused. But let's say you wanted
Girls
to buy.
like pineapples.
Sure. But there's a lot of other stuff they do. Just not
okay.
fish this.
You know who likes pineapples? Swingers.
So now.
It's the thing.
Upside down while you walk through the supermarket. Huh?
So now, you said, I really wish I had a pineapple tumbler.
Oh, I wish I did the egg white first.
Oh, what did you do?
No butter.
What?
All right.
So,
That did not
you wanted a
happen.
pineapple tumbler, right? So,
shit.
look, here they come with. A pineapple, open that up. You do
Oh,
the-
that's a lot of. This is not a tumbler.
No, that
there
is
it
the-
is.
Oh, so look, it's wrapped up. We have extra work to do. This is the part of the unboxing that was unexpected. It's packed.
Dude, fuck your eggs. Look at this.
What?
Oh, you kind of
Those are
suck at
free-range
that.
eggs, dude.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
an egg died to make that.
Yeah.
Nothing died.
There are no chickens harmed during the filming of this episode.
No.
Right.
So,
Yeah, that's pretty gross.
That's a burger.
Gross.
so this is why I told them ahead of time, like, you sure you want me to do a
Yeah,
sponsor
no.
video with it, right?
Jump cuts there. Who with the doubler?
It's a doubler. It's a doubler.
It is.
Ah, you got two
Holy
yolks in
shit.
Yeah.
So you wanted a tumbler, right? And now what you do is
You
you
can
subscribe
drink
to
out
the
of it?
service.
Chickens that have been around power lines.
Oh, these are nice. and
Oh,
shiny.
maybe it's a tripler.
there. Oh, you now have a more of an egg number.
Whoa. So
That's
No,
okay.
I don't know what you're talking about, Jen. No, I didn't get any in
this
there.
box.
I saw that yellow.
You're full of shiza.
Shiza.
So here's the deal. You subscribe to their service, and every month they're going to send you something that kind of matches your personality. You can decide if you want to.
Does this match your personality?
I requested these because they matched my personality. So
That's pretty cute.
basically, instead of just getting the shaker, you get all the stuff to be able to pair to do something like, say, make a passion vine cocktail or any of the cocktails from the show. You get your
It's really cool they did liber too.
pineapple.
Those guys are
Yeah,
cool.
and they do
Yeah.
liber. A lot
Yeah,
of
let
the
me clean
products
that.
that I saw them use,
Glasses, too.
they have all kinds of stuff. Some of the stuff I didn't select
Oh, that is.
because
It overlaps.
it overlaps with stuff I already do, like bartending.
All right,
But
hold on.
if you wanted a bartender kit, those are all in there.
Ready for this?
What are you guys doing?
We're making a
I'm
drink.
cleaning it so we can drink out of it.
So you get your pineapple,
Nice.
what do they call these things?
Coasters?
Toaster?
Toasters! You get your little 8-ounce pineapple liber, which we already have, so I'm not going to
Passion
open
fruit
this
liber.
one.
So wait a minute. So is the subscription
Passion fruit
all
liber?
Passion fruit liber.
like drink based? Like is it different?
It's not all drink based. You can
Okay.
buy bar tools. I have another one I'll do next time, which is a cold brew coffee machine thing.
Can
But
you get Tiki themed? Somebody asked.
this is Tiki themed, right? I mean, there's other specific
You can
things you
do-
can kind of pick. So basically,
This is not an ice drink though, is it?
what?
It's supposed to be a chilled glass, so we're not doing any ice.
Okay.
We can
You
add
have
ice if
to.
you want.
I would add ice because it'll make it bigger.
Okay.
So
I
this
thought cold made
specific
it
kit.
smaller.
What?
Huh?
No, yeah, that was a penis joke.
You're getting it.
So this specific kit comes with 2 coasters, 2 of the pineapple glasses, and a bottle of passion fruit so that you can make cocktails. You can thank Hurricane.
Derek, please
Yes.
leave the link in the box service.
You forgot to put that in there.
Did I?
Just do this.
Yeah, I did forget.
You don't know if you put it in here or not.
Yeah, I
1, 2. You
know
can
I'm
put them
rusty
right
right
on the
now.
top because
Yeah, because that's
bitters
fine.
are aromatic and they will make it smell like lovely numminess.
Use the hot pink shaker in the video, please.
Next one.
I have so many requests happening at this moment in time that I have shut down my brain.
Well, next drink you shake, it has to be a hot pink shaker.
Fair enough. You want to try this, and I will talk. Oh, look at it, it's chilly now. It's all cold.
I
So
know.
these
It's nice and cold.
these pineapple tumblers transfer chill. So they've already chilled up. It's nice and cold. Plus, if you put the top on,
It has a cool matte look to it.
looks
when
like
it
a-
does, doesn't it?
Yeah, I like that.
looks like a
Yeah, it's
It's kind
pineapple.
of neat. The way it's not like big
You can
condensation.
hold
It's
it
just
like
like
a
a.
stand too, can it?
The website's bespokepost.com
Oh,
for those in the
okay.
live stream.
See that?
I think it's
I think
supposed
it's
to
the
do it
other
this
way.
way. But, you know, however you want to do it.
It's one half is the other.
It looks better that way.
That looks
And it's
fucking-
more stable.
How's that more stable? That looks weird. It
Feel it. Does it feel stable?
feels cold.
Watch, now turn around.
Uh-huh.
Now put it on. See?
What?
Feel
Ooh.
stable?
Oh, you mean this part?
Yeah.
Yeah,
No.
but this is the way I saw the pictures. I like the chocolatiness in this.
I like
It
that
is
there's
chocolatey.
freedom to choose here.
That's
That's what the pineapple is all about.
Yeah.
That's right.
I see what you did there because she said it and I figured it out.
Yeah. Normally you have to explain things or don't
Yeah.
have to explain
You
things.
don't
but
have to explain that.
Yeah, the chocolate actually is really good. I was
But I-
wondering what that taste was.
So a little bit more on what more on.
Moron?
Yeah, I saw that kind of. I tried to call it out so I didn't get called out. but
Okay.
It's bespokepost.com. Basically, you subscribe and every month you're gonna get $70 worth of value out of the products. You obviously aren't paying the $70, but you'll get $70 worth of value. So it might be the cold brew maker, it might be a cocktail themed thing, bar tools, knife kits,
Yeah, I was
cutlery.
gonna say, I've seen some cool daggers in there.
Yeah, like
in
it's
the ads, yeah.
very
really?
kind of like guy
Daggers,
type
like
of
throwing
thing.
knives?
So
Yeah.
yeah, like it's just guy stuff where you're like, oh, I really want that knife, but that one comes with the knife plus the the what do they call the knife holder? Sheath.
Sheath.
And
Oh,
other
I gotta show you
specific
a
stuff.
cool knife my dad made.
But the basic premise behind it is, I wanted to buy it. You can shop. They have like a little shop thing, so you can go through and browse the different things. But what they do is they pair, like this is a specific U.S. product. We used to carry this guy. These are U.S. ASA-based product. Oh, that's cool.
Now you have to show the camera. Ian.
Nope. Nope.
Nope.
This
No.
is personal.
You have to.
You got to come to the bar to.
Yeah.
You get that, Jen?
Yeah.
Tell me in 10 seconds.
So yeah, I'll tell you in 10 seconds.
So what I suggest you do is go to bespokepost.com, look at and browse through the different things, because I went through looking for what I wanted to use in the show. Obviously, they sent it to me, so I didn't have to, subscribe to the service or whatever.
No, I used
But
that as like a brown thing.
I
you
picked
pause?
things.
I guess I could have.
I picked things that seemed like it would make sense that would work in the show. So Tiki theme. I'm like, oh, it's kind of getting the end of the Tiki season, so we gotta like push in a little bit more Tiki type stuff.
The creme and the tiki.
Peggy
Right.
says she wants daggers. It's not just a guy thing. You can cut things up too.
You can go and buy daggers and cut things up. Just don't torture animals.
Stop being sexist.
What do you think of the drink?
I think it's good.
I
like the chocolate.
I like the chocolate because it's not overdone. You don't like the chocolate or the
No, it's
drink?
not overdone. I agree.
The lemon bitters really don't come through it though.
Because they're sitting.
It's
on
amazing
the
what
top.
happens when you don't shake them into the cocktail.
Just
It's me.
shake it around a little bit, and that
I'm
solves
not
the
blaming
problem.
you. I'm blaming me. I'm not saying swirl it. I'm saying, yeah, I do.
But he's trying to compensate for your inadequacies by shaking it.
I'm getting used to taking blame. I did something funny at work. I let Graham do something at work, so I'll explain afterwards.
Nice.
Roxanne reminded me first thing in the morning that I shouldn't have done it.
You have to tell me after.
Some things just don't fit on the show.
No, they don't. It's
Yeah, not
Especially
yet.
when we have
Not
people who we
yet.
know that are actually watching, and they'll be like, well, what the fuck is going on there?
somebody, I'm not throwing off your white balance now.
That's true. So, check them out. Make this cocktail because it's definitely an interesting cocktail. It pairs well with this specific glass. It's just got that fresh, bright flavor to it, a little bit of passion fruit. It's not too tart. Like sometimes the lighter stuff, if you add, you know, an abundance of it, it can get kind of tart, especially when you bring in limes or lemons and stuff like that. So it kind of works pretty good in this drink. I was
It works great.
I was a little worried because I'm like, sponsor making it in their, you know, the glass kit that they're sending us, and I don't know anything about what this cocktail tastes like, so I was kind of going through different cocktails going, this one looks like it could taste good.
No, it's good. It's because it's not that sweet, and it's kind of dry.
Yeah, and this was
There's
submitted
some good tiki
a little
drinks
bit dry.
like that that aren't overly sweet. I mean,
Yeah.
I'm sure one of the people in the chat room submitted this drink to me. It was probably either Stephen Foysier or who else? I got a couple other people in there that submit drinks. Also, our producer is Lee Gibbons. He's a Patreon subscriber. You can go to patreon.com/CMC to see more about our patrons. Or is it
Great.
Patreons? Or patrons.
Just do it.
Just go there
Don't worry.
and subscribe to help me get a new 4K camera.
it's really fucking easy.
Yeah. Just do it.
I don't know what you're waiting for.
That's it. Sidebar. More videos. Maybe we'll keep it Tiki themed. You know what? Tiki, and then I'll do the one that I've done on passion fruit specific cocktails, so you can add this to that list of drinks you can make when you go get this kit.
Subscribe. Get some cool
Island.
stuff.
Right. Island kit if you want this specific one. That is it, my friends. We're teaching you how to drink.